Sampang. Okay. This is a seniors game of PYP basketball in this city of Zamboanga. Senior citizens. Uy, galing naman. Ayan na, steal pa ni Makapili. 63 years old. Oh, pwede pa. Hindi ko na kaya mag-pass break. Dati itong magaling tong Sampang nung high school ako. College player namin to. Jong! Wala. Oy! Offensive. Tony. Air ball. Ito, mayroon po. Marunong. Ayan na. Makapili, oh. No high school ako. Ito yung mga college players namin sa Renzo. Si Sampang nito, ang laki ng katawan nito dati. Oh, ang laki. Ngayon, mga 63 na to. Okay, ito magaling mag-drive. Wala. Oy, big boy Reynoso. Opa, may sure ball. Magaling kasi Makapili. Nice. Oy. Golden boys. Oy, nice move. Right, ball game, 37-30-35. White leading. Wala pa rin. Wala, nothing. Basket! Parang si Kwanyo na. Uy! 3 boys! Wala! Rebound again by this energy guy. Do Jong! Time out! But the blue team made the run early in the fourth. A couple of miscues, bad ball possession. Ito si Sampang, used to be a varsity player for Renzo Seniors. Carpio, nice pass by Carpio. Makapili. Ito yung kanilang energy guy. Parang si Kwanto eh. Oh. Naku, tres. Whoa! Big three by Sally. Makapili, running shot. Wow! Grabe ah. Elegant running shot by Makapili. It's a tie and balloon with 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in this game. Blue team with possession. Wow. Interception. Makapili. Blocked by Nokum. Sampang dati, wide body to eh. Nung high school ako, sila yung mga varsity sa college. High IQ baller to nung college days na. Ito yung energy guy. To Nokum, walang foul. Tinulak. Pass break. Nako. Hindi naglaro to nung bata. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Hindi natuto ng basic basketball. Energy guy, pinasa kay Nokum. Very tight. Okay, foul. 10 to shoot. 8, 7, 3, bang. Uy, to Nokum again. Big basket by Nokum. Big basket by Nokum. Makapili again. 246. Agaw. Na. Blue team is coming back strong. What a beautiful pass.
Blue pa rin. 1 minute.
Makapili is playing the fireman's role. Huh? Now it's 51-52 with White just behind by a solitary point. Mehmet drives. Oh, walang traveling. Pinasa. Wala, short. Kay Sampang, kay Makapili. Ito yung kanilang superstar. Kay Sampang ulit. Uy, binasa kay Carpio. Overpassing kay Makapili. The go-to guy. Wala na. Sampang, pinasa kay Carpio. Yung ating table officials, two beautiful A's. 53-52. White team regaining the lead. Ang blue team ay team ni Jungyong. Exhibition game. Pre-season game for the forthcoming 2025 PYP Basketball League. 64 seconds. With White leading. Ito si Mehmet playing like Helster Brand. Wala. Pinipilit. Nowhere to go. Nako, masyadong mabagal. Bad possession for blue team. Wala silang playmaker. Oy, blue team has the last chance to win this ball game in regulation time. Kay Conila, Mr. Excitement, energy guy. Eto na, the winning basket from Nokum. Wala. Kay energy guy, wala pa rin. No calls. Ayan na, helter skelter. Kay Sampang, wala na. They don't need to shoot the ball. Counted pa. Okay, that's the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Sampang with the winning basket. And the hero of the game is Makapili, who had almost 18 points. Best player of the game. Ito siya, best player of the game. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next game. This is the winning basket, the white team. The white team, the winning team led by Makapili. Their superstar, their hero, who made big baskets down the stretch in the fourth quarter.